Hello students, this is your art teacher Mrs. Ashwini Kumar, and today we are going to learn how to make a three-dimensional chair or a 3D chair using simple geometric shapes. Now if you're feeling scared about how am I going to draw a 3D chair, it's going to be so difficult, so don't worry, it's going to be extremely easy. You just have to follow the steps. Now for this you can use a scale. You can use this, and you could also draw without the scale. You could also just use your pencil and make the drawing. Now before I start making the 3D chair, I need to make a skeleton. I need to make like a rough design on which I am going to base my final chair, or I am going to draw my final chair. Now as I said, we are going to use simple geometric shapes. We are going to use 3D shapes. I'm sure everyone knows what a cuboid is. Usually you draw a cuboid which is horizontal, but for the chair we are going to make it vertical. So we are going to make a standing cuboid. So first let's draw our cuboid. Okay, this is the one face. This is one face, which is the top face. Then what I'm going to draw, I'm going to make straight lines coming down. Now I'm going to draw another face over here. So we are going to make it look like a transparent cuboid. Okay, now I have these two lines. Now to make it transparent, I need to see the other corner, which is going to be inside this. Now for that, I'm going to again make another face of the cuboid. And this is the line which is going to be behind. So my cuboid is ready. I can see the back sides also. This is because it's transparent, so I can see all the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what you're going to do is, to make the chair, we need one more face which we need to draw in the center. I'll show you how to draw that. Again, we are just going to, in the center, repeat the cuboid lines. Make sure that these lines are parallel to each other. So if it's going up, this also should go up. Same, this line is going to be parallel to this line. Okay, and then this line parallel to this line. Okay, now we have one more face which is inside the cuboid. Now the skeleton is ready. Now based on this shape, we can make so many designs of chairs. Many designs. But we'll start with the easiest one. Now the face that is in the center, we will give it thickness. So we'll just simply just double this line. One here and one here. Okay, I have doubled this line. Now this is the side which is going to be visible because the chair is not going to be transparent. So this side is going to be visible, so the double lines only will be on this line and on this line. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to erase a few lines. So since this has become our seat, we'll erase all the lines which are going through it. This we'll need. Okay, right? Now we'll draw the back of the chair or the chair rest, which is this face. So this point which is in the front, we'll need to erase for that. So any lines in the back of the chair or the rest of the chair, we'll erase. Okay, now again I'll just double these lines. And then you can make any design that you want at the back of the chair. So probably I'll just make a double line here, and then probably erase the center. Okay. Now I will erase these two lines because now we do not require these. Okay, now it is started to look like a chair. Okay, now as you can see, there are these 4 lines remaining, the vertical lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are going to be the legs of the chair. You just have to follow the line and make a double line, and the legs are ready. Okay, now these lines I do not need, so I am going to erase. Also the lines in between. So children, as you can see, a 3-dimensional chair is ready. We can see 3 dimensions of the chair. Now, as I told you, you could, based on the skeleton, you could draw so many kinds of chairs. So this is the basic chair. Now I'll show you a few more designs of chairs that you can draw using this simple skeleton that I showed you.